Imagine a school day where curiosity leads the way, collaboration is the norm, and learning is as natural as breathing. Welcome to the life of an elementary Montessori student. At ages 6 to 12, these children are in the second plane of development, a time defined by a hunger for knowledge, a drive to explore big ideas, and the joy of shared discovery. The day begins with a warm welcome and a calm transition into the prepared environment. Students take responsibility for organizing their materials, checking their journals, and setting personal goals for the day. Every morning, students and their guide meet to connect as a community. This is a time to share ideas, discuss challenges, and build excitement for the day ahead. Sometimes it's a captivating story from history or a scientific wonder. Other times, it's a reflection on values like kindness and teamwork. These meetings create a sense of belonging and purpose. It's not just about starting the day. It's about inspiring a mindset for exploration and growth. The heart of the Montessori day is the 3-hour work cycle. This uninterrupted period allows children to engage deeply with their work, fostering focus, independence, and a sense of accomplishment. Work is self-directed but purposeful, with each activity carefully chosen by the child. Lessons from the Montessori Guide introduce key concepts while the students apply and extend their learning through independent exploration and peer collaboration. In the elementary years, children crave big ideas. We introduce them through the Montessori Great Lessons, which spark questions like, how did the universe begin? Or, what is the story of numbers? These lessons ignite imagination and lead to interdisciplinary exploration. Collaboration is a cornerstone of the Montessori elementary experience. Students work together on projects, combining their unique strengths to solve problems and create something meaningful. Working on projects is my favorite part. We get to ask big questions, find answers together, and share what we've learned with the class. Mid-morning brings a chance to pause, enjoy a snack, and recharge for the next part of the day. Montessori classrooms also emphasize time outdoors, an opportunity to connect with nature and extend learning beyond the classroom walls. Whether they're observing plants, sketching landscapes, or simply enjoying free play, outdoor time is an essential part of a Montessori education. Lunchtime is about more than just eating. It's a time for social connection. Students learn to set the table, serve each other, and clean up, fostering responsibility and a sense of community. In the afternoon, students participate in small group lessons or enrichment activities. These might include art, music, foreign language, or physical education, all designed to nurture creativity and build well-rounded skills. In the Montessori classroom, enrichment isn't an extra. It's integrated into the daily experience. Students have the freedom to explore their passions while discovering new talents. Montessori students take pride in caring for their environment. Before leaving for the day, they ensure their classroom is ready for tomorrow, learning responsibility and respect for their shared space. Reflection is an essential part of the Montessori day. Students celebrate their accomplishments, share discoveries, and set goals for tomorrow. A Montessori day doesn't end when the school bell rings. The lessons learned, independence, curiosity, and a love for learning extend into every aspect of a child's life, shaping who they are and how they engage with the world. From morning to afternoon, every moment in the Montessori classroom is filled with purpose, discovery, and joy. It's a day where learning comes alive and children thrive. Discover the Montessori difference, where learning is an adventure